This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a new Wi-Fi network. First, power on your console and navigate to the main dashboard. From there, locate and select the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once inside the settings menu, scroll down and choose the network option. This is where all your internet connection configurations are managed. Next, select Settings again within the Network menu, and then proceed to set up Internet Connection to begin the process. After selecting Set up Internet Connection, your PlayStation 5 will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. If your network appears automatically, simply select it from the list. However, if it doesn't show up, you might need to choose Set up manually and enter the network details yourself. Ensure your Wi-Fi router is broadcasting its network name, also known as the SSID, for it to be discoverable by your console. This step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once you've selected your Wi-Fi network, the system will prompt you to enter the password. This is often referred to as the security key and is usually found on a sticker on your router. Carefully type in your password, paying close attention to capitalization and special characters, as these are case-sensitive. After entering the password, confirm your selection. The PlayStation 5 will then attempt to connect and perform an internet connection test to verify everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common first step is to restart both your PlayStation 5 console and your Wi-Fi router. Power them off completely, wait about 30 seconds, and then power them back on. Also, ensure your router's software is up to date. For a stronger and more stable signal, try positioning your PlayStation 5 closer to your Wi-Fi router, ideally within a few meters, to minimize interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.